Y'all, this right here in the wig world is a game changer. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I'm in love. Am I lusting right now? I think I'm lusting over the hair. I think we are. And now we have highlights. If for whatever reason it damages, we poke a hole in and you overplucked it, I don't know. You can switch it out with ease because this is a wig with two parts. A base and a lace. A base and a lace. Oh my God. Hey y'all, I'm very excited to be showing you guys this new wig. Unice has designed a new product, the Magic Lace Product. This wig has two components. One is the lace section. It's pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and ready to be laced. And the other part is the base. The base is where you can attach your lace part to it. And I love it because it does come in different colors, highlights, bangs, no bangs. You can choose and you can switch it up with ease. And you can do all of this and pay less for more convenience. I got to show y'all what I'm talking about. I have two parts. I have the base and the lace. I've had this wig almost a month now, and I've been able to see it for the advantages, the pros, the cons, and I'm about to give y'all the tea on all of it. This is the base. And it's the base because this is like the structural part of the wig. You have the elastic band, you have a comb in the back, you still have the silicone slip grip band as well. So it is very secure. One thing that I love about it is that it's giving a very nice feel on the head. It almost feels like I have a traditional sew-in. You still get some of that volume that you would want, but it still looks realistic. Like, is that your hair? It does come with two hooks on two ends of the Velcro piece. So what I like to do is go ahead and work from one side to the other. I'm gonna try to get it in frame so y'all can see. I'm gonna line it up. It even gives you two lines to be able to make sure it's centered. So all I'm gonna do is hook it. So that's hooked. From here, I'm just going to make sure I attach my Velcro. This Velcro is secure. I wore it a few days. This is me basically showing y'all how to attach it. And if you're putting it on properly, it'll start to align. So I know I'm on the right track because they give you a piece that allows you to kind of guide it in place. Now I'm approaching the other end. And once I get to my hook and latch, I'm just going to stop and we're going to hook and latch. Just like that. And then I'm going to finish it off with the Velcro. Now I have a whole wig. And it came lightly curled, so that's why it looks like that. So let's go ahead and install. And I know I'm talking through this, y'all, but this is one of them videos that's just so convenient. It's just easier to talk through. Personally, when applying this wig, I found that it's easier to just go in with the adjustable strap first. And make sure that's on your head. Pull down the back. Then I'm going to go to the front on each side where the Velcro is. Pull that down. And y'all see I'm pulling it down. There's nothing unvelcroing or anything like that. And this is how we're looking. Look at that. This is that. I didn't have to curl it. It has two parts to it. And that's not the best part. Because it is two parts, it's easy to change from this look to a highlighted look to bangs. It has options. So that is another advantage of this wig. And y'all, I have it with some highlights. So we're going to go ahead and throw in some highlights. But can we just take a second to appreciate my sewing? Take a second to appreciate these bombshell curls that look so effortless. And now we have highlights. The easiest way to get highlights, the easiest way to switch out your lace. If for whatever reason it damages, we poke a hole in and you overplucked it, I don't know. You can switch it out with ease because this is a wig with two parts, a base and a lace, a base and a lace. Oh my God. The highlights are so me right now. I'm in a highlights kind of mood for the summer. So it's just nice to be able to put it in when I want to or take it off and go back to the original. Don't forget the original is even down too. So what do you guys think? I've had it for a month. I've been able to wear it. I've been able to see what I like, what I don't like. And It's secure. There's nothing unvelcroing. Of course, if I literally wanted to unvelcro, I would literally just pull it. Like, I'm not putting that much tension on my hair every day. Like, the Velcro is still intact. That's literally a yank. It is very secure. You can't see where it's being Velcroed because it's literally the same construction as a frontal wig. You literally just make sure you have hair going over it, and it falls naturally over it. Like, as y'all can see, you can't tell where the two parts are, and I love that. You can straighten it, you can do everything. It's still a wig. It's just the convenience of having two parts. So, the Magic Lace product. All the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out. And while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love to bring you along with me on this journey as we do our hair ourselves. So yeah, I'll talk this whole video. I know y'all ready for me to go. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.